Hey guys, this is Ultimarcious3333. Anyway, last time we left off, Kumatora joined us. Now Kumatora is a pretty good party member for the time being because she has the ability to use PK Freeze, which is very helpful when it comes to fighting these things. Oh, poor Duster couldn't stop crying. The Lingering Spirits are impossible to defeat unless you use PK Freeze or unless you use a secret thief art technique. Now then, it's not a good idea for Kumatora to use the Flea Charm because she already has her pendant on, which gives her more psychic points. So it's a good idea to give Duster it and allow him to equip. Now then, I'm gonna save. Now let's fight these two. On, explode on the past. Wah. But we can't stop crying. We both can't stop crying. But it's a good thing that PK attacks aren't affected by crying. And yay, it's gone. And we got some magic gelatin. Yum. Barrel Man. And it's gone. And yay, Kumatora is leveled up. Trying to back attack him, but that's not possible. Yay, Duster attacked him with blinded speed. Oh no! Not only is there a Lingering Spirit, but an Osho Cave. Osho Caves have a lot of attack. It can only be defeated by a lot of attacks or by PK Fire. It also has the ability to use Shield Alpha, apparently, making any kind of physical attack half damaged. And yay, Duster's leveled up to level 17. And yay, we get more magic gelatin. First, let's fight this Barrel Man. Yay, we got some nut bread. Oh man, my socks didn't work. Shoot. And yay, we got some more nut bread. Now, this part is gonna be hard. You see those brooms? If you get touched by them, you have to go all the way back to where that trash can was. Which is why it's very important that you know how to dodge. Yes! I made it through! Let's save our game. Yes! Dang, that's the hardest floor. Hey, Kumatora is feverish. Does she need some soup? Greetings. Apologize for being so sudden, but you know what the phrase for on the wind was? Yeah, I'm that wind. I'm where rumors come from. Appears that one of your friends not feeling well. She's not poisoned. She doesn't like energy. Something's about to awaken in her. Yeah, basically whenever a person is feverish, it means they're about to learn a PSI technique. Ah, it used PK magnet. Yay. Yosho Cape is gone. And Kumatora is level 12. Oh boy. An Osho Cape. It just make a freeze. Huh. Well, that's at least one of the lingering spirits. Wes is worried about Kumatora's safety. Oh no! It's engulfed in flames! They're both engulfed in flames! Yeah, you basically take damage every time you attack when you're engulfed in flames. And I'm running on a lot. I have a lot of PowerPoints. Anyway, let's try and get rid of Kumatora's fever by walking around. Magic Tart. Yay. Oh, there we go. Yay, we learned PK Thunder and PK Life Up. Let's try and use some of them. Alright then, at this point I'm just gonna try and train Duster and Kumatora up. So you can just wait until I get my boss loaded up. So hope you guys get to see me when I'm all leveled up.